Hello everybody, welcome back. So nice to see all of you. Today we're going to do a quick breakdown or a field strip of a Tavor TS-12 semi-automatic shotgun. And as you know, this is my favorite weapon in my arsenal as far as home defense. This thing is small, it is super reliable, or it has been super reliable in the past for me, and I'm sure it's going to perform the same in the future. So without further ado, let's jump into it. This is going to be super simple. You will see exactly how the engineering on this beauty is just, simplicity is what's making it super reliable, I believe. Anyway, let's take a look at this. First of all, we're going to make sure that this particular California Slugomatic is unloaded and safe. So all right, we're going to visually inspect the chamber and the barrel, and we are going to inspect each of the 3 tubes as well. All right, it is clear. We're going to drop the bolt and we are ready to go. Alrighty, let's start with the front. This is super simple, as I said, and we're going to do it reasonably fast. You're going to remove the barrel protector. This slips right off. And what you're left with is the gas piston and the cylinder. So in order to remove this clip, we're going to use a screwdriver. Just grab a flathead screwdriver and gently pop it off. Unscrew. And notice no tools were used to screw in this cylinder. We just hand screw and unscrew it. This part is vital to keep clean and dry. All right, and if you're going to notice, there is a flat spot right here. This is where the clip goes, and I will show you a little bit more later. All right, so this is vital to keep clean and dry. Set it aside. We're going to take the charging handle and we're going to knock the piston out. There it is. There goes the little piston. And you're done with the front disassembly. Let's put everything back together really fast so you see how simple it is to put back together. We're going to go in the same order. We're going to take the piston and we're going to put it in. We're going to take the cylinder and we're going to hand screw it on. We're going to make sure that the flat part, this flat part, is just in the right position to accept the straight part of the pin, this part. All right, so we're going to take the straight part, we're going to put it towards the front of the weapon, and we're going to click it in place. There we go. Going to put the barrel shroud back on. There's a little T in the shroud. You're going to guide that right into the Picatinny rail. And it is reasonably simple to do. There it is. It will slide on without much resistance. And you're going to put the thread protector, the barrel protector, back on. Now make sure do not over tighten it. This is a torque cap, so once it stops clicking, stop tightening. Done. Let's do the rear end. This is as simple, if not simpler. On the back of your shotgun, you will find a button. You're going to depress it and knock the butt off. You're going to gently press down and remove this pin. We're going to gently press down and remove this pin. Everything is under pressure, so just a little bit of pressure. So we're going to take out the spacer, and then the whole housing and the bolt assembly with the spring come right out. Very simple. At this point, you are ready to clean your barrel. Everything else that needs to be cleaned up, and let's put it back together and check the functionality. You're going to drop the bolt just like this. It's in. You're going to take the housing. You're going to put it on. You're going to take the spacer, press it down. You see a little bit of pressure that it releases right there. So you're going to have to press it down and put the pin in. The pin can go in from either left or right. The last step is going to be to put the butt back on. And what we're going to do is we're going to make sure to sit it on these rails just like this, and put it in place until the button pops out. Button popped out, rifle's back together. Let's check for functionality. It works. There you go, it's done. This is why I love Tavor TS-12, the simplicity. I can field strip it in literally under a minute and a half. And there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a thumbs up, and hope to see you soon. Bye.